how this app make money?
We have some credit system. Every day, unverified user will get 1 credit.
So how industry actually doing it?
They are doing it with subscription model and app engagement like Tinder, show ads.
What the investor of the India are looking into dating industry?
I don't think major investors कोई है जो कि इंडिया में डेटिंग ऐप पे इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है फिलहाल.
So there is a lot of research going behind when you say we match you the profiles, what you exactly need, rather than lot of swiping and everything.
Yeah.
That's why there is a lot of things happening, and you are one thing. Your app is one thing that is going over there. How this app? Let's move to another point where we say how this app make monetization, or how this app make money. When you say ki, Tinders of the world do when people stays not leave, and then come back.
Right.
So how you look at the industry when they make money, and how you are going to plan?
So before that, every dating app they don't specify how many likes you have. Like you can, for example, Hinge, you have 8 to 10 swipe per day.
Okay.
Cool. In our case, we have some credit system. Like every day, unverified user will get 1 credit for their activity, and for verified user you will get 3 credits per day. So that, which means you can connect with 3 different user every day. So you exactly know how many people you can get, and this credit will be stacked. Like it will be stored you can in your credit wallet, and this is how we are trying to monetize it. Like with credits, you can buy credits later on, micro transaction like 10 rupees for 10 credit. Abhi tak nahi hai, but in future.
In future. And how the industry
you can earn credits, by the way.
Okay. How does it work?
There is a game, this and that, which helps user to I say, like every elements of your profile is hidden, like based on you. But this and that games are games, like it's a global games which are verified, and you can obviously publish it on profile and no one cares. Like so once you connect, you have to have something which we can converse about, right? So this game can help you in better conversation. So any user can create this game, and once it get approved, you will get 5 credits. So that's the point, and people can play and add to their profile.
So is there like gamification that has included to earn money?
Yeah, to earn credit, money nahi.
To earn credit, and that is how the backend your monetization will work for you as a company when you plans to monetize the premium.
Yeah. And for every match you will be shown a small rewarded ad, 1 or 2 30-second maybe maximum, but that's how we will earn something and give you the best result in long run.
And my second question was to how industry actually doing it?
They are doing it with subscription model and app engagement, like Tinder use show ads. They have ad space in their in between, and like Hinge have 4,000 subscription, I guess, subscription fee. That's it. They are doing like that, and we notoriously know that Indian consumer don't pay for this dating app. So
but this is interesting that when we talk about there is a monetization, there is a money coming, the company will earn that, but someone has to invest. What are the maybe 2-3 things that investor thinks when they look at investing into dating app? What are the parameters? Because someone who is watching this might want to build something which is relevant, and they want to start. So what they have to keep in mind to understand that investor will look at this parameter to judge my business?
So first of all, users. Investor will definitely look at user, how many users you have, and currently we have only 200. So the other thing will be like how much matches and how user engaging with your app, like what's the success rate, anything. Like in dating industry, success rate is bad, but if you are making an application which help people to connect, so success rate will be really good mark that you should achieve. Like that's the point.
So investor, if I have to summarize this thing, the investor will look at the users base they currently have. They will look at the usage of that application. and somewhere what is the idea and what idea that is coming front and what the differentiator they are bringing to the table.
Yes, at the end, people will use your app if you are providing them value, right? If user is happy, then investor will investor have to invest because your company is like making revenue, right?
Right.
So investor want a share of that. Maybe it will be low than other dating app or other market, but they want some share because they are investing in their money to have that your company fraction, right?
Right. That way investors are looking. So India, is it a market of the
Around
if
4, I guess 4 billion, I guess.
yeah, it has a large base,
Yeah.
that is right, but I was coming to the another point that what the investor of the India are looking into dating industry, where there are any example कि locally grown apps which are there इंडिया में जो बहुत ज़्यादा बूस्ट किए हैं.
इंडिया में काफ़ी नीच ऐप है, जैसे कि मुस्लिम मैट्रिमोनी हो गया, या फिर डेटिंग में ही हो गया, तमिल डेटिंग ऐप ऐसा कुछ हो गया. बट आई डोंट थिंक मेजर इन्वेस्टर्स कोई है जो कि इंडिया में डेटिंग ऐप पे इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है फिलहाल. I reach out to Bloom and I got like they don't write check below 2 crore or something, and
Okay.
like that's the point कि मेरा अभी इतना है नहीं यूजर बेस, तो मैं वो एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं कर सकता.
Okay. So when it's come to the understanding the industry, I think you are given us a fair idea how the industry is there, where they are standing, and what I think when there is an industry with lot of player, there is a clutter.
Yeah.
So how you look at the Loom? Maybe in next 10 seconds we can tell people why it is important, and that is the last thing of this podcast maybe.
Sorry, about what?
About your application, how people will why people will join there.
If you are trying to meet new people around you or doing something, but you are already frustrated with this dating app, you should join Lumore, because you will find really nice people like me or someone, and that's it. You should join it. One more thing, if you are starting your company and like if you are doing something like something building something, right? So and you are hoping that you will raise fund and like raising seed fund from startup schemes or government schemes, then don't just register your company yet. Build your product first, advertise it to users, make some user base, and then register your company. That would be my advice, because you will waste a lot of money in this like process, and it's not required yet.
Yeah, thank you for your wonderful insight. Thanks for coming here, joining us. Thanks, Kritik.
Cool.